In this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to update your contact information within your Deal Automator website. So let's go ahead and make our way over to your list of websites, located under lead flow and then websites. And go ahead and click the little blue pencil for the site that you wish to edit. Once you're in the screen here, editing your core website, you'll sometimes find that sometimes you just need to change your email, but you can't seem to edit them, or it won't let you click and edit them. So what we need to do is actually go into site settings up on the top left here and go ahead and from the pop-up window select contact info. This is where we can change that information. So go ahead and you could just go ahead and fill out the information here. So let's go ahead and do that, and I can show you exactly what happens here. Let's just add some stuff here. Let's see. We'll just go ahead and update this so that I can show you how it updates. Okay. And we'll just do. All right. And then we'll just go ahead and click Save Settings. And sometimes you'll see that it won't update right away, but yep, that's what we're looking for here. Your website settings has been saved. So what I can do is refresh the page. And we can see that the changes have been made, even with the email and the phone number on top. Now, one thing that I would like to mention is that when you update your information here, this is just for this site that we're editing. So your core website, for example, is the main place that we want to change this information. This is just for this site here. So if you have multiple sites, for example, I have 2 core sites here, you will need to change it on both, or you can have this site have 1 bit of information, or this site on 1 bit of information. But also keep in mind that any autoresponders that you have, you will need to update as well. So you'll need to come back here. This is a site that I edited my information on, and you'll want to click on the autoresponder button here. From here, I will want to make my changes to the emails and phone numbers. As you can see, they did not update on this end here. So any of your autoresponders will go out with the old information. Yes, you will have to go through each one and update each autoresponder. You more than likely won't have as many as I do here. This is my testing site, so you will not have as many here as I do here, but you will want to do that. The second thing to note is it's not global for your Deal Automator. And so what I mean is if you change this information in this site here, this core site or your main core site, it will not change it for all of Deal Automator. So the next time you go to create a site, the information that it will use is what's located under your settings. And then if you come here onto the left and click company info, this is your information that you have filled out already previously when you set up Deal Automator. So if you want it to change globally, meaning you create a new site and you want this information to go along with it, if you want this change, you'll need to change it here as well. So you want it to change for every new site that you create, you'll need to go to your profile on the top right, click settings. On the left, click company info, update the information here. Any new site you create, like your core site or any squeeze pages that have your information, it will be automatically added. If you just want it for that one site, then all you need to do is just update your core site here in site settings. And then you can have each one separate. Remember, if you update it in your site, the information, you will want to you will want to and need to update it in your autoresponders as well. That's it for this video.